We're back with Jarryd. Getting on the gloves. This is serious business. And I got the team here.
Yeah.
Got the chiropractor lined up. We got Jarryd doing the work on my legs and shoulder and then giving me incredible exercises. Exercises I didn't know I needed. Didn't know how weak I was. And I feel like I'm getting strong like bull now. He's going to attack my legs. When I say attack, I truly mean that. He's going to dry needle them. And this area is a very sensitive area, but it does help.
What we're trying to do, like we said, is give you temporary relief. That's all the dry needling does. It doesn't do anything crazy. But then we're going to give you the exercises like we're doing and then progress your exercise and keep making improvements like you're seeing. Cool thing that we always see is like it hasn't taken that much work, has it?
No.
It's just about consistency that you're seeing, and that's what we do. It's a little different than most places like you're seeing, but we get a lot of results with all of our clients.
There is a little bit of a commitment on my part and all the clients' part, right? You get to the point where you're sick and tired of being sick and tired. That's when you come here.
Crazy, right? You have to put in the work to get better.
What? That's so weird. You know what? If you put it into perspective about like how many hours people practice that stupid pickleball, or how many, just never gets old with me. Or
golf.
Golf. I was just about to say golf. How many lessons you pay for and all that. If you actually put a little bit of time. Jarryd's asking me to basically do 6 minutes 3 times a day. If you put that effort into the work on your body, okay, you would see these results. And he is
How's that?
Okay. That one's okay.
Not too bad.
No, now we're only going to do that one.
We're going to do 8.
Oh.
So we're going to go 4 and 4 on either side.
Okay.
The exercise we're giving you are nothing crazy.
No.
It's more about being consistent. And then once you get stronger, like today, you're going to see is we're actually going to start like loading you, and it's going to look a lot like working out.
Yeah.
Because your goals are like you need to work out to be able to hit your goals, and that's what your rehab should look like.
Well, as we talk about, it's functional training, right?
And lots of people like make fun of us, other providers, and they just basically call us glorified personal trainers. And it's like, well,
That is not true.
but there's nothing wrong with that. If you're a good physical therapist, good chiropractor, good personal trainer, there should be no difference between the three. Is we're doing whatever it takes to get you towards your goals.
All right, I like that.
There are plenty of amazing personal trainers that do a lot better work than lots of healthcare
Oh
out here.
boy, that's a zinger. This side's more sore. Those of you who don't know, I had a snow skiing accident. ACL, MCL, meniscus, and then an ACL again, and meniscus, and an ALL, and meniscus on this knee in 3 years.
Let me hook up this stim.
Oh, we get to do the stim on this too.
We'll always do the stim.
Oh boy.
Too much or good?
Nope.